guys, there's a highly requested video for a Monte Cristo, which is a sandwich that Sapphire had requested. So we're gonna give that a whirl and try to do that today. You know. So we got all this stuff over here, and we got the bread, which I wish we had some like better bread, but this is like butter bread. And so I guess they always use different ingredients on every video, so it doesn't really matter what you use, I don't think. Somebody's probably gonna tell me in the comments, probably Sapphire, that I'm using the wrong stuff, but I guess you put cheese and you put whatever meat that you want. I've seen people use ham, turkey, all types of different meats. So I think what you want to do is make it nice and thick, and then you, which a thing that I forgot was to put the mayo and mustard. I'm just gonna make like a mayo and mustard thing together here, real quick, real kind of redneck style. Almost like I'm making some redneck tartar sauce or something. I like my stuff to be kind of tangy, so. I don't know how you make Dijon mustard, but that's like as close to Dijon as it's gonna get, right?
What's Dijon mustard?
Dijon is Dijon. I don't even know. I don't even know how to describe it. It's just Dijon mustard, I guess. It's not really enough for the other side, but you'll give it a little bit of flavor there, whatever. So then, what you want to do? I guess we're gonna have to dip it in egg. And I know a lot of people say that you have to, for one thing, press it down. Oops, stuck to my big hand there. But most important thing is to put it in the egg. I guess what you do is just kind of like when you're making scrambled eggs. I haven't seen anybody do anything too different as far as, you know, putting different things in the egg. But some people put like seasoned salt or whatever. I think last time somebody used egg white. We're just gonna try to get that all. I should have been heating up the pan actually. I think it's like medium heat. I wasn't really 100% ready for this, like you know, like always. Yeah, get the pan heated up. We don't have a lot of butter, is what I was getting at there.
We have butter bread.
Yeah, we do have a little bit of. We have butter bread. Yeah. We have a little bit of oil, which we're gonna put in there, and then some of that butter. Some of this disgusting mess of a redneck butter. It's like off-brand country crock, which is always good. That'll gum up your insides real good, you know? You're supposed to really just dip it in the egg. We'll make a couple of these. I'm gonna make one to show, and then at the end we'll have us a little party. So we'll let this heat up for a second, and then we'll get right back to it, all right? All right, so we let our pan heat up a little bit, and we made a couple more of these. So we got turkey, peppered ham is one of these, and then this is peppered ham, and then the other one is, what is that? Monte something? Mortadella. Mortadella. So we have 3 different things going on. From what I understand, let me try the turkey one, I guess, real quick. All you gotta do is just dip it in that egg, right? You dip it in that egg. Let it soak up in there. And it's gonna be kind of sloppy here. From what I understand, it takes a good amount of butter. I'll just put a little bit of oil. I believe I saw somebody do that with the oil, but could be wrong. Gotta just transfer this, do that around some. I know you can do these on a griddle too, so I mean, I think there's a couple ways to do it. See how this turns out. It might be too soaked in egg, I'm not even sure. Let's see how it goes. I guess that's similar to how you make French toast, right? You gotta just dip it in egg, right?
Milk.
Milk? I forgot the milk. That's what you do. That's the other ingredient, isn't it?
It is?
Milk. Dang it. This seems like there's an egg cooking onto the thing, so. Alright, so we do need milk. From what I remember then. That's what I forgot. I should have looked it up. But we're doing this kind of, you know, off the cuff. And
We're winging it.
we're winging it. Put some milk in there. I'm not sure how much milk. I guess from what I understand, you have to keep it on like a medium heat. That way, all the cheese will melt everything together. And we're gonna need a plate after it cooks up. So, get that all mixy doodle up. We got quite a bit of cleaning to do after this. But I guess, yeah, that is how you do it, right? With the egg and milk mixture. Something that I forgot. So the first one, that was just a dry run then. Got it's like a French toast type of mixture here, I don't know. This one's gonna be more like a breakfast sandwich type of thing. Let's see how that side looks. Whoop. That looks pretty good anyways. May not be 100% right, but this is our first go at it, so what are you gonna do? Things aren't always perfect. First time you do it. So we can learn from this, friends. Keep pressing it down a little bit, that way all those you know, cheeses and meats merge and meet together. Come together. You know, like people should. But hey, we're gonna eat this anyways, you know, because I'm a big boy, you know what I mean. I'm gonna eat it. Gonna eat it all gone. Gone cook. Gone cook.
Gone cook. Gone cook. Take a bite, homie. Tell me what it's look. Bouncy.
One day we should make peanut butter and banana sandwiches, deep fried. That'd be pretty good, right? So we'll do that for another one. But right now it's Monte Cristo time. We're starting off the new year. Doing different things on the channel, but this is looking pretty good so far. Man, it's not the exact right way to do it, but like I said, it still looks like it's going to be good. So, let that cook a little bit more. And I guess we'll take a little bit of a commercial break. We'll be right back. We're going to do a couple more. We'll do the other one the right way. And we'll show you the results of how the two different ones look. All right, we'll be right back. Have you ever touched your cousin?
Yeah.
Then eat a spoonful of mayonnaise. Mmm, love that Hellman's taste. Cut. Okay, so we have the last one going in, and I don't know. They've been looking good for my first time, and I'm pretty proud of it. So yeah, we're gonna cook this one up, and then we'll plate them up, and then we'll get down to the get down over at the table, and it's gonna be a lot of fun eating them. You know, it's been pretty cool making them too. First experience. And we'll cut to another commercial break real quick, and then we'll be right back, and we're gonna eat these things. Do you take selfies all day like a big stupid idiot? Then drink bleach. Brought to you by Clorox.
Scott.
All right, so we got all those done, and now we're gonna cut it up, plate it up, eat it up. Alright, let's see how this looks now. I'm not sure if that's exactly how it's supposed to look, but that looks good to me. What do you say? So we'll give that a try and see what all the hype is about. See what Sapphire's hype is about. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for that. I got to put a little tangy of the mustard in there, and you know, the outside of the egg and all that. It really does wonders for your life. So everybody's gonna eat one of these. We got all these spread out, different ones. Salami. There's ham, and then there's another turkey one over there with maple. So can we cut that open for you? The cutting board.
Okay.
All right, so everybody take a bite. Go ahead, take a bite, little girl. Fantastico. So I think that was an awesome little experiment. Next time definitely we'll do better. That was my first foray into the Monte Cristo. I know there's a couple other ones, a croque monsieur and a croque madame. We'll attempt those. Peanut butter and banana sandwiches, but for now, we want to wish you it's a little bit after Christmas, but very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The holidays are here. The New Year's coming, so it's a new year for the channel and a new year for us. And we'll do some more cooking and more videos later on. But good afternoon, good evening, and buenas noches.